Hi, we are Group 10. We will be present on how preparation of e-sampler and also the procedure of the air sampling.
Firstly, we transport the e-sampler from lab to field study site. Then we assembling tripod and attach the control device on pole. We make sure to screw the pole together carefully. Next, continue by attaching the humidity sensor and wind sensor on both sides of the e-sampler pole. Ensure to carefully attach them due to avoid from accidents such as broken part happen during the assembling them. Then, the process continued with insert the electric cord wire into the control device. Remember in this part make sure the highlighted outlet is attached with the inlet by connecting them together. After that continued by connecting the cap of PM10 or PM2.5 on the sampler. To avoid strong windy day, take a safety precaution by putting weight on every leg of the sampler. We also wrap the power supply with plastic bag to avoid from rainy day, because water can conduct the electric and bring harm for everyone. Then we put it on the brick to avoid directly contact with the field and soil as one of safety precaution.
Procedure in experiment of air sampling.
First, we weight the filter paper before the experiment start. The weighted filter paper was inserted into the special container for a sampler. During the process we must using forceps to avoid contaminant into the filter paper. Then, carefully insert the filter paper into the device control by pulling the lever on the e-sampler device. Then continue to set up the information in the sampler device. First we set up the ID name station. Next, adjust the date during the time to make the experiment. And the third to set up this adjust period time into 30 minutes. Lastly, run the e-sampler by pressing start. Make sure the e-sampler make a sound to confirm that device is already running. Make sure to label some information into the e-sampler device. After that, wait for 24 hours to process the data. After 24 hours, continue to stop the e-sampler for stop the process. Collect the filter paper and bring to the lab to weight the filter paper on analytical balance to record the data after the experiment. Then the data for PM10 was recorded. Proceed the next experiment by changing the PM10 into PM2.5 for next process. Attach the TSP cap on the e-sampler device. Make sure to properly connect them. The experiment setup process was repeated with same procedure as PM10. Then label again with new information of the experiment. Then wait again until the next day for record the data. This is the obtain recorded data for both PM10 and PM2.5. On the last step, don't forget to disassemble the e-sampler and bring back into the air pollution laboratory. Extra precaution must be taken in this part. Then connect the wire from control device of e-sampler into the computer. The Comet software makes it easy to connect to MET1 air quality devices. Just open the program, select your device, and start collecting data. You can see live readings, save past data, and even export it for analysis. With Comet, monitoring air quality is simple, efficient, and reliable.